If you're looking for a way to personalize your recommendations for online shoppers, you're probably wondering if ShopWired can help. In this quick guide, we'll break down how ShopWired works and explore whether it's really the best option for personalizing recommendations on your e commerce site. But stick around, because by the end, we'll share some hidden alternatives that might just do a better job and offer free trials too. First off, let's dive into ShopWired. ShopWired is a popular e commerce platform designed to help businesses set up and manage online stores. It's especially known for its easy to use interface and flexible features. When it comes to personalized recommendations, the platform does offer a range of tools to enhance the shopping experience. You can set up product recommendations based on customer behavior, like items they've viewed, added to their cart, or purchased in the past. Sounds great, right? Next thing, ShopWired offers a built in recommendations engine. It's a simple system that uses algorithms to display relevant products to users. It works well for standard product suggestions, but here's the kicker. It's not as advanced as some other platforms when it comes to delivering highly personalized experiences. For example, it doesn't dig deep into a customer's browsing history or preferences the way other recommendation systems might. This could be a deal breaker if you're aiming for really tailored shopping experiences for your customers. The third thing to consider is ShopWired's ease of integration. Setting up personalized recommendations is relatively straightforward, thanks to its simple dashboard. If you've used other e-commerce platforms before, you'll probably find this familiar, but again, it's nothing mind-blowing. You can integrate with email marketing platforms or CRM tools to enhance your recommendations, but you'll have to rely on third-party tools for any truly advanced features. Next up, let's talk about customization. While ShopWired's recommendation engine works, it doesn't offer a ton of flexibility in terms of how you display these suggestions. You can modify some aspects of the look and feel, but for deeper customization, you're going to need coding knowledge or plugins. If you're not tech savvy, this could be a barrier. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. ShopWired is on the more affordable side compared to some competitors, but it also comes with limitations. If you're expecting top-tier recommendation features or integrations, you might find the value isn't as strong as other options. You get what you pay for, and for businesses looking for ultra-personalized customer experiences, ShopWired might fall short. Now, here's the kicker. While ShopWired offers personalized recommendations, there are alternatives that take it to the next level. These platforms use more advanced AI to deliver highly tailored experiences based on a customer's past behavior, interests, and even real-time browsing activity. This level of personalization is what many businesses are looking for, especially if you're focused on driving conversions and improving customer loyalty. Before you jump to conclusions, though, we've got something special for you. We've got an exclusive extended free trial to one of these alternatives. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, plus some amazing additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. So while ShopWired is a solid choice for basic personalization, if you want the best in personalized recommendations, the alternatives we've covered in the video are worth checking out. That's all for today. Be sure to check out the link in the description to start your free trial and take advantage of the exclusive perks we've mentioned.